It is pretty flattened.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
Oh, okay.
There's the
back.
back.
That one's really
flat. The other one's not as flat as that one.
The other one, just to show you guys, is right here. If you look at the backs, there's quite a bit of a difference.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's another one right there. Look, 3 of them that are completely flattened.
Where'd you find the other one?
Oh, it was just sitting right there.
Oh.
Yeah, pretty cool.
Yeah.
Alright, so, I'm gonna take a shot now?
Yeah, sure.
Alright.
Just put the safety on. Safety's on. Bullets.
Alright. Gotta load this sucker up.
Alright, pump it up.
Alright, that should be good. Safety's on.
Is it? Okay.
Yep.
I'm gonna go set the camera up.
Alright. I'm gonna find what I'm gonna try to hit.
What are you aiming for?
I'm not sure yet, but don't move anything because I'd like to know the setup right now.
Okay.
Actually, I'm gonna try to put all these cans in a row.
You wanna see if you can catch the bullet?
I don't know if I'm gonna hit it. I don't know if that's what I'm gonna do right now, but it's a good idea.
Alright.
So we've got 3 targets.
Move this one back a little bit that way. You guys can see what's going on here.
I'm gonna try to not make it ricochet from the camera. Yeah, not to. So I'm gonna shoot through the cans. I gotta do it right here. Should I shoot through the cans?
Yeah, you can.
Alright.
Shoot through the can. See if you can catch the bullet.
Safety's off. Well,
I think that might have went through.
I continued looking down sight and
Alright, let's see. Well, we got the first one here. First one. There's a new entry hole, exit hole. Okay, I think it. Let's see the Pepsi can. Went through the Pepsi can, entry,
Ooh.
exit. See purple. Entry. Not a very good exit though. I mean it's good, but it's very small. Is what I'm saying.
Oh, look at that entry. It's like cracked the entire can.
And then there's the entry hole on this one.
So we did not catch it at all.
It went through all 4 cans.
With ease, it looked like, because I don't think it was stopping. We might need a little bit more to catch it. We can get that later, though.
I think what we're gonna do now is I'm gonna set these cans up like this, and I'm gonna shoot through it that way, and we're gonna see if we can catch it.
Before you do that, I want to take a shot at the railroad thing.
Before I shoot those cans, we're gonna take a shot at the railroad.
Alright, got it all pumped up.
You're taking a shot at the railroad, right?
I am.
Okay. Range is hot. Safety's off. I seen that one. Let's see if we can find that. So I seen it land over here, Tavian.
I did too. Landed right over here.
Right in here somewhere.
I don't know if we're gonna find this one though.
Oh, might land a little up here though. I don't think we're gonna find this one. No.
I think that one's gone.
Yep. I think it's gone. Okay, well let's see where it hit. Where did you hit it? I think you hit it here.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, that's this little hit right here.
I was kind of aiming for the bottom of this hole right here, right on the edge, so it wasn't too far off.
All right, now I'm gonna shoot at the cans and see if we can catch it. The can's going that way.
Yep.
Safety's off. All right. Not sure where that one went.
I think you hit the sheet metal behind it.
You think so?
I don't think you hit the cans at all.
You might be right.
I'm not sure if it hit that. I don't think it did.
I don't think it did actually.
But it hit metal. It was either that or this back here.
I heard it. It ricocheted and hit the trailer over there.
Did it hit the trailer?
It did.
Yeah, we're not gonna find that one at all. Not
We'll
gonna.
try that again.
All right, so he's gonna take another shot at it. Let's tripod it back up. Try to get the best shot as possible, so you guys can see all the cans.
Oh, this one's tight. Yep, this one's gonna be good. Oh crap! Missed again. Wait. So we're running out of batteries, so we're gonna have to end it. So basically, we just shot cans. That was pretty exciting. The gong and the railroad, and pretty much what I expected. I mean, not much damage on the steel, but the cans went right through them. Thanks for watching.
Peace off.